welcome to another GM Lighting instructional video. Today we are going to show you how to connect a ChromaDim tunable white and dimming system. ChromaDim allows for tunable white and dimming, which adds ambiance and atmosphere to any room that it is used in as an accent or task light. You won't need a lot of tools for this installation. All you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, and a pair of scissors. Our installation today will include a length of LTRS TUN tape, a ChromaDim 90-watt LED driver, and a ChromaDim wall switch. We also have some standard wire connectors. This demonstration will show you how easy it is to connect. Remember, written instructions for this and other GM lighting installations are available not only in the product box, but also at gmlighting.net. Although this video shows you basic connections, be sure to always follow local electrical codes. Let's get started. Step 1. Take the tag that comes with the wall controller off and open up the back of the ChromaDim system driver. You'll notice that there are knockouts conveniently located for through-wire mounting. The driver comes with a custom wall bracket that allows for a professional-looking installation. Today, we'll be showing you how to make a simple connection. Trim your LTRS TUN tape to the desired length, making sure to cut on the cutting guide mark. To connect the LTRS TUN tape, take the 3 wires coming from the tape, which are white, red, and green, and connect them to the output terminal. The white wire is for the cool light, the red wire for your positive power connection, and the green wire is for the warm white connection. Your tape is now connected to the ChromaDim driver. Now connect the driver to the wall control switch. The switch is capable of controlling multiple ChromaDim drivers, up to as many as 6. First, trim the insulation to expose the wire. Connect the red wire from the wall switch to the black wire from the ChromaDim driver. Connect the green wire from the wall switch to the ground coming from your 120 volt AC, and the green coming from the ChromaDim driver. Connect the white from the wall switch to the neutral from your 120 volt AC, and the white coming from the ChromaDim driver. Connect the black wire from the wall switch to the hot or positive power from the 120 volt. When you first power up your ChromaDim system, the wall controller will auto pair with the power supply. Give it a few minutes. There you have it. You've made all your connections. If you want to connect 2 lengths of LTRS TUN tape, it's easy. Our LTRS TUN splice and tape-to-tape connectors make it easy. Now, how easy was that? To see other product and installation videos, go to our website at gmlighting.net. Thanks for watching.